Nancy, and I wanted to say Happy International Men's Day to everyone. First of all, we have a wonderful group of men at Optimix, juniors and seniors, younger and older, peers, and leaders. I feel very proud and blessed to work with individuals who not only support but encourage all employees to be successful in their respective areas of expertise. I wish you all a very happy International Men's Day, and we celebrate your continued success, happiness, and good health always. I have a quote that I would like to share from Theodore Roosevelt. It goes like this: "There are good men and bad men of all nationalities, creeds, and colors. And if this world of ours is ever to become what we hope someday it may become, it must be by the general recognition that the man's heart and soul, the man's worth and actions, determine his standing." Happy International Men's Day, everyone.
Hi, happy International Men's Day to all you wonderful gentlemen out there. On behalf of all the women out here at Optimix, I would like to say that we are happy and proud to be associated with such wonderful, kind-hearted, caring and understanding colleagues like you all. For us, this day is special, just as it's special for you, because we are celebrating the positivity that you always bring to the table. I'm sure that all my other women friends would vouch for the fact that we all are blessed to be in the company of you all, to treat us with respect and provide us with equal opportunities to grow along with you, side by side. It's you all, my dear men folks, who have helped us have the right kind of work-life balance and have made this professional journey enjoyable, while we have always felt safe and secure in your company. On this special day of yours, I would like to take a moment to thank your parents for inculcating the right kind of values, which makes me and the other women at Optimix feel comfortable, safe and happy. And wish you all health, happiness and prosperity in abundance. Wish you all again a very happy International Men's Day.
Wishing a very happy International Men's Day to all my colleagues. I feel so proud to be working with some of the amazing, talented, and innovative men who inspire me each day. When I was in college, International Men's Day was not as popular as Women's Day, and that's why I always ask this question to myself: that why a special day for women and why not for men? I'm happy that today I have an opportunity to thank all the men who are part of my personal and professional life. You all are special and deserve a celebration for the support you provide to your family back at home or at Optimix. Once again, wishing all of you a very happy International Men's Day.
Hello everyone. Wishing each one of the gentlemen at Optimix a very happy International Men's Day. Thank you for being wise, caring, supportive, just like our family members at the workplace. Stay as you are, walk along with us, beside us in our successful story and success journey. Once again, a happy Men's Day and a happy Diwali. Stay safe.
On this occasion of Men's Day, I would like to thank all the men of Optimix who have made the lives of us women quite warm and comfortable. My memories go back to my interview with Kote and Rama, which was equally comfortable without any embarrassment, and followed by various projects in which I worked so cheerfully, all because of the supportive men at Optimix. Thank you.
Hey everyone, hope all the men out there are having a great day so far. I would like to take this moment to thank all of you for everything that you do. You guys are amazing. Special thanks to Vinay for handling a team of 3 crazy women. I really don't know how you do it, but I'm glad that you do. The thing that I admire the most about the men of Optimix is that they make it so easy for me to interact with them. I mean, you are recognized for the work that you do and not because you belong or don't belong to a certain gender, which is great. And thank you for inspiring, guiding and supporting us throughout this journey, and I'm sure we return the favor as well. So thanks again and happy Men's Day.
Me and my women colleagues at Optimix are fortunate enough and proud to be working with our men colleagues who are inspiring, talented, innovative, smart working, courteous, and supportive. Men's Day reminds all of us that even men are special and even they deserve a celebration. Cheers to all the men who are constantly working hard to give their families the best of everything they can. A success of a man is not defined by the things he's acquired in his life. His success is defined by the positive change he's been able to bring about in the lives of people around him. This is so apt for our men colleagues at Optimix. A happy Men's Day to all our men colleagues at Optimix.
This Men's Day, my message for all of us out there would be to stop stereotyping. Sometimes women are not the only ones suffering. Men too go through emotional abuse, domestic violence, and are victims of violent crimes. Men do have emotions. Show them that you care about their feelings. We can coexist without the gender bias. After all, men are from Earth and women are from Earth. Very happy International Men's Day.
Happy International Men's Day to all the men at Optimix. The first thought which comes to my mind when you ask to talk about men at Optimix is how secure and safe they make me feel when I work with them. That's the best thing what a women employee can get from an organization, and I've always had good mentors and managers to work with, and especially George, who's been great and taught me a lot all through my career till now. So I would like to thank him and also thank the other men for making me feel secure and safe while working around them. On that note, I would like to wish Happy International Men's Day to all of them.
Happy International Men's Day, everyone.
A very happy International Men's Day.
Happy International Men's Day.
Very happy International Men's Day.
A very happy International Men's Day.
Happy Men's Day.
Once again, a happy Men's Day.
Happy Men's Day.